Welcome to training on how to use your audience response voting device for the National PTA Convention, as we are excited to be working with the National Parent Teachers Association this year. Over time, organizations have determined that they need a better and more efficient way to obtain the results of the decisions in their meetings or to get instant feedback on various polls. Results from questions are instantly displayed on the screen in a matter of seconds or minutes based upon the needs of the group. As an audience member, you will see a question similar to the sample question displayed on the slide shown here. As you can see, this is a random question in which the group wants to test their knowledge. To respond to a question, you will use this voting device as shown on the screen, also known as a voting keypad or response card in some organizations. The device has the ability to enter responses numerically, 1 through 10, or alphabetically, A through J. For our purposes here, all answer options will be displayed numerically. Once the polls are open and the countdown clock has started, you may select your option by pressing the appropriate response. When you make your selection, it will be displayed on your device's LCD screen. At the same time, the green indication light will illuminate, confirming that your response has been accepted. Also, keep in mind that you may change your answer anytime up until the countdown clock has stopped. Whatever option you pressed last will be the answer that is accepted. When your device is not being used, it is simply asleep. In other words, there is no on-off button to worry about. So here is an example of how polling will be conducted. You will be given a specific amount of time to respond to a question. In this instance, you will be given 15 seconds to respond, as indicated by a countdown clock that will appear on the screen that will show the time remaining to vote. So, let's answer this question. What is your favorite reality show? When instructed, the countdown timer will be displayed and voting will begin. Again, you may change your answer as long as polling is open. So I am going to select number 5 by pressing 5 on my device. Once the 15 seconds have expired, polling is closed. The presiding officer at the meeting will then ask for the results to be displayed. The slide will appear showing the number of votes for each option in numerical and graphical form. You will also have an instance where you will be asked to make multiple selections on one slide. In this example, we are asked to select our 2 favorite ice cream flavors from those listed. Well, for me personally, it's chocolate and vanilla. So, as the countdown timer appears indicating that polling is open, I am going to select 2 for chocolate, and I'm going to select 5 for vanilla. Once polling has closed, we will see the results. It's that simple and easy. It's just like pressing a prompt on your telephone when you get an automated telephone answering system when calling to make an airline reservation or even calling your son or daughter's school. Thank you, and enjoy your experience with your audience response device.